Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel. And for my reimagining of my mom's dishes for Christmas, for this video, I'll be making Cornish hens. You know, my mom usually made turkey or ham for the holidays, for Christmas holiday, that is. But for me, since it's just me I'm cooking for, and if you're similar, you're just a couple or a small family, Cornish hens is the best option. That way you don't have all that leftover turkey or leftover ham. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. it's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
The tarragon honey mustard sauce was simple to make. I made mine by taking some fresh tarragon, washing it, completely drying it, adding some honey and some Dijon mustard, and finally some pink Himalayan salt. Okay, back to the video.
up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Right about here, I would check the temperature of the meat because it's looking like it's getting a nice brown color on the outside. Check whether the instant read thermometer or meat thermometer at the thickest part of the breast that it reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That would mean that it's done, and all you need to do now is just get a nice golden brown color on the outside, or however brown you like it to be. Okay, now back to the video.
Sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
As you can see here, I kept it in a little bit longer than I should have. I was distracted doing some work, but please be careful. Please go back every 3 to 4 minutes near the end to make sure it doesn't get too dark. Okay, I had to salvage this bird by putting some sauce on it and just putting it in the oven and turning the heat off. Okay, let's get back to the video.
We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video, give me a like, that's a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comments section. Share this video if you'd like to. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. If you are a subscriber, make sure you turn on your notification by hitting that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads. And don't forget to come back next Thursday and the following Thursday in the month of December to see how I reimagine my mom's Christmas dishes, and for the rest of the year, the parties that I'll be making the party food for. All right now, thank you for joining me, and as always in parting, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And also, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year until we meet again.